Hello everyone. In this session we'll learn the topic ratios. So what are ratios? Okay, ratios are used to compare two or more quantities. Okay, ratios are used to compare two or more quantities of same kind. Okay, a ratio compares two or more quantities of same kind. Okay, for example, if we have the ratio of boys to girls equal to 12 is to 18. Okay, that means the it can now we can simplify this ratio as how will you simplify a ratio? By dividing both sides by the highest common factor. Okay, first we'll see how we simplify a ratio. So in order to simplify a ratio, we have to divide both sides by the highest common factor. Divide both sides by highest common factor or HCF. Now, how will you find the HCF? How will you find HCF of two numbers? Okay, to find the HCF of 12 and 18. First, we'll find the HCF of 12 and 18. Find HCF of 12 and 18. Okay. For this, first we'll write the factors of 12. Which are the factors of 12? Factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, then 6 and 12. Okay. Now what are the factors of 18? Factors of 18 are 1, 2, 3, then 6, then 9 and 18, right? Now we'll write the factors which are common in both 12 and 18. Factors common in 12 and 18 are, which are the factors common in 12 and 18? That is 1, then 2, 3 and 6, right? 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the common factors. Now we can find the factor which is the highest. So here from this common factors we can see that the highest common factor is 6, right? The 6 is the highest common factor. So the HCF of 12 and 18 is 6. Now we learned how to find the HCF of two numbers. Okay, now we can simplify 12 is to 18. So in order to simplify, we have to divide both the sides by the HCF. That is 12 divided by 6 is to 18 divided by 6, which is 2 is to 3. So the simplified form of 12 is to 18 is 2 is to 3. This is how we simplify ratios. Next is comparing two quantities. How will you compare two quantities? Comparing two quantities. Okay, so to compare two quantities, we have two methods. One is part to part. That is, it compares one group with another group. Okay, compare one group with another group. Compare one group with another group. That is, boys is to girls. One group is boys and other group is girls. Boys is to girls is 2 is to 3. Okay, now the next method of comparing is second one, part to whole. Part to whole. That is, here we compare one group with the total. Compare one group with the total. Which is, we know that here the boys is to girls is 2 is to 3, right? So what will be boys is to total? One group is boys and the other we compare it with total. That means we know that boys is 2 part and the total. What is the total? Here the total part is 2 plus 3, right? There's 2 boys and 3 girls. That means 2 plus 3 is the total part, which is 5 is the total part. So boys is to total is 2 is to 5. This is another method of comparing. Okay. Part to part and part to whole. Now we'll see this. Okay, we'll draw that boys is to girls in block. That is, this is 2 part is boys. That is 2 is to 3. That is 2 part is boys and 3 part is girls. This is first part, second part and third part. So out of the total, 2 parts is boys and 3 parts are girls. This is boys, this is girls. Okay. Now we'll do some problems. That is, in grade 7, there are 14 students who play football and 21 who don't. So write the ratio of football players to non-football players. In simplified form. Okay, so here in the question it is already given that there are 14 students who play football and 21 who don't play football. So football player is to non-football player is how much? That is 14 play football, therefore 14 is to 21 is those who don't play football, 21. Okay, now we'll find the, we'll simplify it. How will you simplify? That is, divide by the HCF. That is, here the HCF is 7. That is common, highest common factor in 14 and 21 is 7. So we'll divide both sides by 7. That is 14 divided by 7 is to 21 divided by 7. So what will you get? We will get the answer as 2 is to 3. So the answer is 2 is to 3. This is the answer. Now the next part to this question is B part. Write the ratio of football players to the whole class. To the whole class in simplified form. That is, we know that the number of football players are how much? Football players are 14. Non-football players are 21. So, what is the total number of students? So, total number of students in the class. We know that the total students are 14 plus 21, which is equal to 35. So, now we can write football player is to total students. Okay, football players are 14, total students are 35. Next, we have to simplify 14 is to 25. So, we will divide both sides by 7. That is 14 divided by 7 is to 35 divided by 7. So, we get 2 is to 5. So, the answer for the first part is 2 is to 3. That is football player is to non-football player. Second part is football player is to total number. That is 2 is to 5. This is the final answer. So, that's all for today's session. We'll see more such concepts in the next class. Thanks for watching.